It's increased our wrench time quite a bit. I'm probably saying 30%. It's probably increased our guys not traveling back and forth as much, or trying to figure out which work order is better to get to, or feeling like they are behind, not being able to prioritize their work. The least amount of work they have, or the way best organized, they are more efficient in getting their work done. We like to kind of spread our workload over our mechanics. We don't want some mechanics to get overloaded and kind of get under pressure. And we also don't want some guys just sitting around and kind of twiddling their thumbs and not having nothing to do. So we like to be able to quick glance, look at it and say, all right, this guy's got 30 work orders right here. I need to go ahead and switch some of this workload over where to our guy's got 5 work orders. So we try to kind of even up the workload so some of these guys are not overloaded and they're not trying to feel like they're always behind.